Change the name of a key in dictionary. How do I change the key of an entry in a Python dictionary?
Easily done in 2 steps. Or in 1 step. Which will raise key error if dictionary old_key is undefined. Note that this will delete dictionary old_key.
If you want to change all the keys, if you want to change single key, you can go with any of the above suggestion.
Poppin' fresh.
In Python 2.7 and higher, you can use dictionary comprehension. This is an example I encountered while reading a CSV using a dictreader. The user had suffixed all the column names with colon. Ori_dict equals, key 1 column 1, key 2 column 2, key 3 column 3. To get rid of the trailing colon in the keys.
Corrected_dict equals, k dot replace column v for k, v and ori_dict dot items.